Rank number 3. Okay.
I'm lost. Na naman.
Last 3 letters.
Ano ba?
Last 3. Ang bagal nyo. Oh my God, pang ilan na tayo? Pang 4 na tayo.
Here inside the academy.
Academy. Perfect.
Amazing.
No.
Sana ba? Anong sabi mo?
Babawian kita ng point.
Wait lang, saan ka na ba?
Amazing.
Academy sabi.
Academy.
Academy, sorry. Nick mo.
Can you use a more constructive?
Nosebleed ako.
I like her gown.
Gown. Perfect. Next. Next statement. Big compassion and assistance.
Big compassion.
5-letter word. I like going to Manila.
Well, I think you should go see Olongapo.
Very good.
Big compassion.
Anong title?
What is it? Big compassion.
And assistance.
Anong title?
Manila, Olongapo.
Nanay ko ay maganda.
Very good. English nga. Bugoy.
Ngayon, ano naman ako sa sila.
Ano
Okay.
letter M?
Next.
Sir.
Teka lang.
Sige.
Man, ikaw lang din nakakasali. Miguel.
Sa'yo ko na.
So, paano mo ulit?
Nasaan na tayo? Nanay niya maganda. Ano? Wala. Dalawang letter na lang.
Go, Van.
He eats egg. Yeah, tama.
Sige.
Nice one.
Sunod si Dan. Dalawa na ako.
Last.
Sir.
Bugoy.
Tamad ako.
Tapos, joke.
Next. Bilisan nyo this time ha. Yellow is a hero. I think maganda si Nancy.
Yellow.
She's
Okay.
also intelligent.
Very good.
Correct. But sometimes naughty.
No.
Hindi.
Intelligent and knowledgeable. Knowledgeable.
No, I got your point already.
Anong sinabi mo nung una?
Intelligent. She said he likes Nancy. And I said she's also very intelligent.
Pagkati.
Next.
And then I said
Yellow is a
knowledgeable.
hero. People.
Okay. Wait. Wala akong makaisip na word.
Ay, kahit wala akong maisip. Basta maka-points.
Teka, yung utak ko, di umiikot.
Pwede ba, sir? I want to be a nun.
No.
No. Mali ako.
Anong last word?
Knowledgeable.
Knowledgeable.
Ay, knowledgeable ba?
Yeah, knowledgeable.
Ako intelligent, sabi mo.
Hindi pwede knowledgeable. Wala siyang K.
I said I. Intelligent pala. Intelligent.
So, mali ako, sir.
Anong sabi mo?
Sabi ko, I want to be a nun.
Pwede ka.
Sure.
Last.
Naughty ka na.
Artist is, teka lang mo.
2 letters, hindi nyo mag-gets. Yellow is a hero. Kahit hindi ako magsabi ng 2 letters. Okay, ako nasagot. Isa.
Wait.
I still want orange.
Yay. Sir.
Last letter.
And kanina.
I want to play yo-yo.
Very good, Lisa. Bilis! Gising!
Pinoy.
Criticism makes us do better.
Correct.
Let's go and play golf. Criticism.
The first word is criticism.
No. Criticism makes us do better. Every Saturday, especially. I like to play
I want to eat apple.
No.
Sir, I want to go to Ecuador.
Very good, Iñaki.
Ano yung una sinabi mo, sir?
Golf. Sir, pwede ulit.
Ala, hindi mo.
Maybe we could go to the Rolling Rapids.
Okay.
Ano? Ano yun? Uy, Iñaki, ano yun? Nag-inchik ka na naman.
Roller rackets.
Sir, naka-point ako.
Rabbits. Rolling rabbits.
Sir!
Hindi.
Very good.
That's the lahat.
Sir.
I want to own a rabbit.
Good.
Maybe a duck too.
Good.
Salon. On to.
Oh, the salon.
And I want to see an ape.
Very good.
Yun na. Okay, wait.
Sir, I want to eat longganisa.
Very good.